Everyone. Okay, haven't even filmed in this room yet. We're gonna have a productive day today. I have a friend coming into town tonight at 11-ish, so I'm gonna be with them for like the weekend, and therefore I need to get some things done prior. I'm setting some hard deadlines for myself. I like making these videos. You guys usually like them. I have been making to-do lists on this app called Notion. Not sponsored. I just found out about it through someone online, but it's very helpful. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it linked below for like organizing. You can do a bunch of different things on it. Anyhow, my list to get done today is as follows. Make coffee. Take a shower. I think I need to take an IG post. It's been a second since I have posted on Instagram, so I should do that. Alright guys, took a little IG. Actually went well, I think. The sun is so nice today.
Buddy good.
I posted on Depop last week and a bunch of you guys bought stuff, and thank you so much. I appreciate it, of giving my things new homes. So I have a lot of packages to ship out. I'm gonna pack all of those up and take them to my shipping station and also pick up my packages that I get sent there. Then I'm gonna go see my friend Saad. We literally have been trying to have a meeting slash friend hangout for months and months, and somehow it's never happened. So we actually locked down a date today, so I have to go to Midtown to meet him. He's really great, so I'm excited. All right, I decided to walk home because it was so nice out when I went to get my packages. Just got home and picked up my security deposit that they hadn't given back to me for some reason from my lease signing. So just got a little money in the bank now. I have to go run to the city now. For some reason, it was so nice, and I was just like talking to my brother on the phone, and then I realized that in my head I thought I had a whole nother hour, but I actually need to leave right now. So I'm changing really quickly, and then I'm gonna pop over to Midtown. Bringing bagoos in case I do go to Trader Joe's, and also a coffee cup. Just threw on this little jacket because it's so nice. Alright, I'm at Cha-Cha Matcha. It sounds like the most influencer thing ever. We have a vlog camera at Cha-Cha, but I'm here with Saad.
Hi guys, how are y'all doing?
He's the coolest and smartest and
Me?
Coolest, yeah, you. Tell us about what you do.
Yeah. Should I walk, or should we stay here? Or?
This is cute right here.
So right now we're here, we're in New York, we're at Cha-Cha Matcha, having some matcha.
Oh my god, you need your own channel.
Should I be a YouTuber? Guys,
yeah.
comment below if I should have a YouTube channel.
You're upstaging me.
I'm about to take over.
This is
where I live is where.
This is the new Jenny.
So Jenny
This is a
and I,
takeover.
We super vibe. We both work a lot in climate and sustainability. I myself, I have a voting organization. It's called Plus One Vote. It's all about getting out the vote because right now, I'm sure you guys know, this election is such a pivotal time. And if we're not getting out here, registering people, bringing our plus ones, bringing our friends, bringing our family, I don't want to hear you complaining. But you know, I feel like there's so much like about like, oh, but like climate change and adults don't care and they're not taking action. It's like, that's you. That's why you're supposed to do something. You know, it's up to us to really engage in this and change the movement and like be the face, be the voice, and transform society for what we want. So, y'all in?
Click the link in the description to register.
Plusonecampaign.org/register, and you can register. It takes less than 2 minutes. Send this link to a friend, and that's how we're gonna create change because this is the year of climate action.
Woo!
And we need you.
Yes. Okay, we were just you actually are so good on camera. Okay, here's the thing. We were just talking about how it's so easy to think that one little vote doesn't matter and make a little excuse and then just not show up. If everyone thinks that way, hundreds, thousands of young people don't vote every year.
Yeah, like
we need to do better this year.
We need to do better this year, and people that are like 18 to 35 vote so little. Like, it's actually sad. I wear this
here.
Yeah, right? I wear this voting bracelet so that way I walk around and then people are like, oh, what's that bracelet for? And I'm like, haha. Like, I got you. Vote?
Yes, I always vote.
Me too.
I always vote. You vote?
Are we voters? Are we?
Do you want to be my plus one?
I'll be your plus one. Oh my god, do you want to be my plus one?
You be my plus one.
Oh my god, I can't.
Then maybe I'm gonna try to briefly meet up with Elena. We'll see if she's like in the same area as I am, so we can kind of like talk over some Paris details because that is coming up really, really quickly. I'm getting a little bit anxious. I'm gonna run into Sephora at some point today to pick up a new like little face tanner that I finally decided is the one that I want to try. On the way back, I would like to stop by Trader Joe's, but it might be around like between 5 and 7 p.m., which is not something I'll ever put myself through again if I can help it. So if that's my timing, I'll just go to a different grocery store. No! I stopped and got sweet green for dinner as a little treat because I'm so lucky and they give me credit. I always get the, it used to be called the spicy sabzi, but I can't remember what it's called now. Spicy Thai, so good. Literally ate it in 2 seconds because I was starving. Marving. I put on that tan stuff. My skin is like having a moment right now of discoloration. I'd like to get a little workout in, maybe just like a 10-15 minute abs session or something. And then I have a whole video to edit, so probably from like 6 onwards, I will edit a video for the evening. And now I get to edit for a long time. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to take out my recycling at home. So hopefully future Jenny got all of these things done. We'll see, you'll see, I guess, and I will see you all in the next one.